Dear brothers and sisters, in today's ultra-modern lifestyle, the toxicity in what we eat, drink, and even think has increased to such dangerous levels that it has given rise to life-threatening diseases, like heart conditions, kidney failure, cancer, and more. In many such cases, the situation becomes so severe that the heart or kidney needs to be replaced, and that's when the painful search for a donor begins. It is a deeply distressing and mentally traumatic time. But imagine, if someone doesn't find a donor, if no heart is available for transplant, and then suddenly, a new heart is printed and becomes available. I believe that patient and their family would breathe a sigh of relief, knowing there is hope and a new chance at life. Welcome to Mission Viksit India, where science is now printing life itself. Our channel, Mission Viksit India, brings you powerful and innovative ideas to help build a fully developed India by 2047. In today's video, we'll discuss the groundbreaking concept of synthetic bioorgans. Please stay with us until the end and don't forget to leave a comment. Every year, millions of people die while waiting for an organ transplant. In India alone, over 200,000 patients need a kidney, but honestly, fewer than 10% ever find a donor. So let's talk about introducing synthetic bioorgans. What if we could change the painful wait of an organ donor? That would be a revolutionary leap for India. Introducing synthetic bioorgans, organs created using three-dimensional printers, which is made from your own cells, and customized to match your immune system and body. What are synthetic bioorgans? Well, they're made using bioprinters. These actually use living cells instead of ink. They're printed layer by layer using things like stem cells, hydrogel, which is a biological gel, and tissue scaffolds. And they can be used to create skin patches, cartilage, blood vessels, and now, even hearts, lungs, and kidneys. Most importantly, because they are made from your own cells, there is no risk of rejection or allergic reaction. This is not science fiction, this is honestly the next generation of biofabrication. Why does India need this? There's a severe shortage of organ donors. Patients are forced to deal with black markets, scams, and these endless waiting lists. After transplant, they often face infections, organ rejection, and lifelong medication and financial burdens. Synthetic bioorgans will solve all of these problems. Can India lead this revolution? Absolutely. India must take bold steps in this direction and gift this life-saving technology to its people and the world. Institutes like IITs, AIIMS, and biotech startups in India are already working on this. With the help of CSIR, DBT, and the Made in India movement, India can become the global hub for organ printing. We will no longer beg for organ donations. We will print our own synthetic bioorgans. Imagine a future where no one dies waiting for a heart, and no one's life ends because a kidney was unavailable. A future for India, where organs are not donated but designed, freshly printed, personalized, and life-saving. With this new science of synthetic bioorgans, a second chance at life is no longer a dream, it's a reality. So, the mission of this channel, Mission Viksit India, is really to inspire students in India's schools and colleges, and also doctors and scientists who are involved in medical research and development. We want everyone to think deeply about this innovative idea and to actually take it to research labs and innovation platforms. Let's work together to make a real difference. And to invent 3D printers for synthetic bioorgans in India. If you liked this video, I humbly request you to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel Mission Viksit India, and press the bell icon so you never miss an inspiring and innovative video. Thank you very much. Hi Hind.